This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your environment so nothing breaks. Check your Grub version and distro, and then immediately back up /etc, /default /grub and /boot /grub to a safe folder. Once done, install the tools you'll need. Git and wget along with any theme helper packages your distribution supplies. Make sure Secure Boot is considered. Disable or enroll keys if necessary. This prepares you to fetch a theme and prevents recovery headaches later. Next, you obtain the theme files and place them exactly under /boot /grub /themes /your theme. Clone a repository or extract an archive and confirm the theme. TXT path inside the folder. Then edit /etc /default /grub to point grub theme to that theme. TXT file and check ownership and permissions so Grub can read them at boot. Once those files are in place, run update grub or grubmkconfig /boot /grub. CFG so the new theme is embedded into the boot configuration. Finally, regenerate grub config with update grub or grubmkconfig and then reboot to test. You should see the new theme at the grub menu. If not, don't panic. Make sure grub. CFG contains the grub theme line, verify the theme path is exact, and ensure permissions allow Grub to read files. If Secure Boot blocks unsigned components, either sign the modules or disable Secure Boot temporarily. Use a live USB to restore your backup if recovery is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.